boy Roma spot. Finna take out his DME. They locked it at the dealership. Probably did it on purpose. So we'll go ahead and take this sucker out. We're gonna send it to Kies. You done been through some shit with this car, huh? Got the Alpine white, the red guts.
I'm talking about something.
F22. My man's got more stuff in here than the GT, son. Okay, so we gotta get this negative terminal disconnected first.
Out.
Yep.
Lights out, baby.
There we go. All right, so we got the cover off. Just held in by some grommets. I'm gonna pull up on that joint, take a pic so we know where to put them back. Even though they only go on one way. Disconnect these. And then pull it out.
One.
There go one.
Two.
There go
Got my nails and all that.
It should just don't want to come out for none.
You seen that?
Last one. Push in, pull down, pull up.
Now we can get those out the way. You should be able to just pull that sucker around out. There we go. She's out.
Nah, touch the top, bro. Not the bottom.
Nah, that's all.
Off the keys she go.
Yeah.
My man Roma driving the boat out here.
I also don't have the heads-up display on 2 Series.
Oh yeah. Feel a little bit more heavy?
Yeah.
A little bit?
I don't feel like I'm...
That's such a good look.
You hear that turbo spool? Oh. Damn, that parking is shit. This thing is huge.
"48 hours later, right? Kies done got it done. Sent it back to us super quick,
Yeah, that shit was fast.
expeditiously.
Highly recommend Kies, man.
Yes, sir.
I was scared to go at first, but nah, they got me right.
Put it back in and start the joint up.
Yeah.
Let's try it. That's the beauty of it. They say it's idiot proof.
Yeah, I know. I saw the video. I don't know.
We'll see. There you go. Yep. Clipped in on both sides. Just kind of give it a tug to make sure it's all the way in there. Okay. Yep. Everything's secure. Reconnect the bat real quick. Moment of truth. Very suspenseful, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Just run it up. Let's see what happens.
Just like that, baby. Factory. You still nervous?
Yeah.
Still nervous.
Still nervous.
So she started right back up. Easy as pie. Thanks to Kies, unlocking that DME for my boy. All you gotta do is throw the tune back on, huh?
Yeah.
Everything is looking good to go. Now we just gotta go ahead and reflash Roma's car and get him back into Mexico. Oh, bro with the 340 on slicks just pulled up. B58 gang looking heavy today. It's stock tune. It's over with. This is where the magic happens. Damn, so you just flashed back to, you said stage one? Stage one E30 right now. Nothing too crazy. It's a student driver car.
I feel you, dog.
Oh yeah.
This should feel better than when I first had it.
Woo! Crazy. Yeah, you hear it. tonight,
I'm
guys.
telling you, bro.
I'm tuning this shit tonight.
This is lit.
All right, we're finally about to do what I always wanted to do since I had my 328. We're gonna tune my 340 GT.